Visit it. MC Billions. MC Billions. I got one question for you.
As far as my make I know dollar.
Between Toke Makinwa and Bobrisky, which one do you like?
Bosh! Does your brain need upgrading? Is your stupidity verified? Is your foolishness with experience? Ọmọ Toke Makinwa, ọmọ tó dúró tó fi go la ọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀. When you die, God will ask you between heaven and hell, which one do you want to enter? Ask you. Ọmọ Toke Makinwa tó fresh bí radio ni. Ẹ̀yin ẹ̀ lásán top notch ni. Wájú ẹ̀ fi moderation, oh my God! Ó wá fi ń wé Bobrisky.
Bobrisky, I don't know if it's a he or a she or a shim.
Are you stupid? When you die, God will ask you between heaven and hell, which one do you want to enter?
Over.